Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create video logo in Canva. So let's get started. First, here you have to search for animated logo design, and this will help you to get your animated logo whatever you like. After that, you just have to download it from here. Now choose the template that match your brand style. Don't worry, you can fully customize it. Now edit your logo tag. Also upload your own images and graphics. So just go to upload here. Click on upload file, and here you will see your logo. You just have to click on it and hit the open button, and this will directly download it to your Canva folder. Now you just have to drag it and drop it and resize it and move wherever you want it to. So I'm just putting it at the bottom left side of the template, and if you want to animate it, just hit on the animate button at the top of your screen, and as you can see here there are lots of options available. So I am choosing this blur one. After that, if you want to change colors, you can change. You can also manage the transparency, and once you done with the changes, finally hit the present button, review it, and if you find everything perfect, just hit on the share button at the top right side and download it. So that's it. Now you have a video logo in your brand template. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.